Good afternoon, Church Rock Eagles. I'm going to be reading the story A Walk in the Desert. And I'd like for you to join me. And there it is. It's on page 546 and 547 in your Treasures reading book. And you can stop this video anytime and pause it so you can get your materials. And here we have North America. And as you know, that's the United States. Here we go. Sunbeams are flickering over the landscape as the sun rises. A kit fox heads for her den as another day in the desert begins. Deserts are surrounded by other kinds of landscapes. Scientists call these different land zones biomes. All the plants and animals in a biome form a community. In that community, every living thing depends on other community members for its survival. A biome's climate, soil, plants, and animals are all connected in this way. Deserts have a very dry climate. They do get a little rain, but it doesn't come regularly. One storm might drench a desert with several inches of rain in just a few hours. It might not rain again for months, even years. Now we're on page 550. Desert plants provide many animals with food and water. Here comes a desert tortoise. It shuffles slowly along and stops often to rest. That sounds like Mr. Mabrito. The tortoise stretches its long neck to nibble a wildflower. Tortoises rarely drink. They get nearly all the water they need from the plants they eat. And there he is. Cacti also provide homes for desert animals. Halfway down a nearby saguaro's thick stem, a Gila woodpecker. Now, that word looks like another sound, doesn't it? But believe me, it's pronounced Gila. A Gila woodpecker pecks a hole in the juicy flesh. It is making a nest for its eggs. Woodpeckers have nested in this cactus for many years, so they've made many holes in it. Other creatures have moved into some of the old woodpecker holes. A pair of flycatchers lives in one. Another is home to a hive of honeybees. And peeking out of still another hole is an elf owl. It has white eyebrows and fierce yellow eyes. Now we're on page 552. When I first looked at this picture, I thought that was living. I didn't know it was just a piece of wood. All right. Not far from the saguaro, you see a very different kind of desert home. Jammed between a dead cactus and a fallen tree is a huge mound of tangled twigs. It's the nest of a wood rat. Wood rats are also called pack rats. They use anything they can find to build enormous nests. A wood rat's nest might be made of sticks, rocks, leaves, cactus spines, or even bones. It may be as tall as a person and just as wide. The nest protects the wood rat from foxes, hawks, and other predators. It is also a cool place to hide from the hot sun. The term pack rat is also applied to human beings. It means someone who likes to collect a lot of things and doesn't throw things away very easily. Oh, look at that cute little guy. Oh, wonder what his name is. Well, we should name him. You think of a name for that little guy, okay? Now we're going to move on to the worksheet assignment that I gave you. And this is it, page 181. So the two-syllable word with a vowel, consonant, consonant-vowel pattern is usually divided between the two consonants. Swallow, welcome. Okay, see, vowel, consonant, consonant, vowel. Vowel, consonant, consonant, vowel. They divide it between the two consonants. The first syllable of a vowel, consonant, consonant, vowel word is a closed syllable. That means it has a short vowel sound and ends in a consonant. The second syllable may also be closed. So your assignment was to divide each word into syllables. Write the syllables in the blanks provided. The first word is, what is it? Well, I know that C-O-P is cop. I know that P-O-E is per. So the word is copper. So look here. Here's a vowel, consonant, consonant, and a vowel. What do you know? So the rule is we divide the words between the two consonants. Copper. There's a street in Albuquerque named Copper. The next word is member. So you tell me, what are we going to do? All right, so we're going to like vowel, consonant, consonant, vowel. And then where do we divide the two-syllable word? That's right. We divide it right there between the two consonants. Two syllables, and this is where the word is divided. Member. The next worksheet has to do with vocabulary. I'm going to say the word. I want you to repeat it. Climate, lurk, silken, shimmer, lumbering, eerie. So your directions are to substitute a vocabulary word for the underlined word or words in each sentence. The rattlesnake's rattle makes a scary sound, warning us to keep out of its way. So one of these words means the same or similar to scary. I know it's not climate. I know it's not lurk or silken or shimmer or lumbering. That only leaves one choice. Eerie. So, eerie is kind of scary. All right. Alligators often lie in wait in the reeds until small animals come near, and then you know what happens. Those poor small animals. All right, so lie in wait. It's not eerie. We already did that. Not lumbering. Not silken or shimmer, so it's either climate or lurk. Well, I know it's not climate, so it must be lurk. They lie in wait. Go crocodile. A bear's heavy, awkward step warns small creatures in its path. Okay, so it's not eerie. It's not lurk. I know it's not climate. Silken shimmer, no. It must be lumbering. A bear's lumbering. That means heavy, awkward, okay? Number 4, the surfaces of frozen ponds glow brightly in the winter sunlight. Glow brightly. What do you think? So not this one, not this one, not this one. No, it's not climate. So it's either silken or shimmer. I would go with shimmer. It's a brightly glow. All right, cacti are plants adapted to the usual weather in the desert. Okay, talking about weather gives it away. And we know that's climate. Climate has to do with weather. A spider's web is made of soft, smooth strands. What's another word for soft, smooth strands in a spider's web? There you go, silken. Okay. Now, I want you to choose 3 vocabulary words and use them in one sentence. So you get to add all 3 of these and put it into one sentence. And that's it for now. Hope you're having a great day. I sure am. And look forward to seeing your smiling faces. Bye-bye.